Alright, so what I'm probably going to be doing is fixing my phone to where the charging would wouldn't work, to where it now works again for wired charging, and the wireless charging type shit might have to get fixed due to the fact that charging shit every night is not easy. It's a hard task. Like, the entire task is really hard to do, if you ask. But anyways, if you guys want to know what my dad will do, I'll tell you in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.